Alright, here I'm showing this the other newest machine my grandfather got recently for his cabin. This is a Craftsman 12 gallon 6.0 peak horsepower with dry vac. This is the replacement of the yellow shop vac pump vac. As you can see, it's headless now, because when I did a video on this one, it had some motor problems, and then eventually it died. And he was actually without a shop vac for a couple of years, so this was just recently when he bought this. Basically, it's just a standard wet dry vac. It does come with 3 attachments: the upholstery tool and 2 floor brushes, along with 2 wands. It can be used as a blower. It's being used as bagless. This is not how I'd prefer to use a wet dry vac, but it works for what it is. It does have this drain where you can pour all the water out. One of the cons I don't really care about these Craftsmans is that they do make these much flatter. I much prefer shop vacs like the pump vac, where it's much more tall and skinnier. But other than that, I think this is a good vacuum for what it is. I like it. But my favorite Craftsmans are the ones that were made by Ridgid. Those are not only my most favorite wet dry vacs, but also I think Ridgid makes the best wet dry vacs for the buck. This one is actually made by Cleva, the same company who also makes the Kenmore vacuums today, except the one inside the cabin. That one was made by Panasonic before Cleva took over. I do like that these have hose holders to hold the hoses in place for storage. So, other than that, let's go ahead and plug this in and turn it on. I also do like how much longer the cord is. I think it's much longer than that one in the original shop vac for this place, or at least for inside this shed here. Pretty sure there was another shop vac that was here before the red pump vac. That's the one that was here before that one, because in one of the other store sheds in the property there was a box that came off from a old 80s shop vac that I'm assuming was the original for this place. Anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and turn this on. Another con about this shop vac is that it's got an odd burning smell coming from the motor, similar to that yellow one. I'm assuming that's just the motor trying to break in. On the Ridgid wet dry vacs, I've never experienced that problem before. Another reason why I like Ridgid the best. Alright, let's see how the blower works. All right. Thanks for watching.